Like, looking so evil, Zay.
I mean, watched it. Why she watched it, I don't know. Like, he was outside getting dirty. Yeah, it's fade already.
Say hi.
I didn't get a chance to put that in the iron or something.
I was falling, and I was running.
Outside.
And I was fell.
You almost fell?
Yeah, and Daddy was giving me, it was making my house, and then I take my shoes off, and I take my boots off.
Okay.
You show everything, don't you?
Yeah. Daddy can't do nothing around you, huh?
Like, Daddy got a woman, so it don't matter.
Huh?